Audio Jungle.
Tigers have eyes with round pupils, unlike domestic cats, which have still pupils. This is because domestic cats are nocturnals, whereas tigers are crepuscular as they primarily hunt in morning or evening. Despite not being strongly adapted to dark, tigers' night vision is about 6 times better than humans. Most tigers have yellow eyes, but white tigers usually have blue eyes, due to the gene for blue eyes being linked to the gene for white fur. The gene for being cross-eyed, or boss-eyed, is also linked, so many white tigers have crossed blue eyes. Tigers scratch trees and use their urine to mark their territories. Their urine smells strongly of buttered popcorn. Tigers can tell the age, gender, and reproductive condition of other tigers by subtleties in the smell of urine markings. Male tigers have larger territories than females, so that the areas overlap and the tigers can mate. Adult female territories generally never overlap with those of other adult females, and adult male territories do not overlap with those of other adult males. Tigers do not normally roar at other animals, but instead they roar to communicate with far-off tigers. A tiger about to attack will therefore not roar, but might hiss and puff instead. Tigers are variable in size. The largest subspecies, the Siberian tiger, grows to over 3.5 meters long. The smallest subspecies, the Sumatran tiger, is only around 2 meters long and 100 kilograms when fully grown. Tigresses are fertile for a period of only 4 or 5 days throughout the entire year. During this time, they mate frequently. They are pregnant for a little over 3 months, and usually give birth to 2 or 3 cubs. In some locations in India, people traditionally wear a mask on the back of their head while walking through forests to prevent tigers from pouncing from behind. Tigers cannot purr. To show happiness, tigers squint or close their eyes. This is because losing vision lowers defense, so tigers only purposefully do so when they feel comfortable and safe. Only 1 in 10 tiger hunts are successful, so tigers typically go several days without eating before gorging themselves on over 30 kilograms of meat after a triumphant hunt. Tigers can bite through bones with their powerful teeth and jaws. They will break the neck vertebrae of prey simply by biting straight through them. Like those of other cats, the upper side of tiger tongues are covered with fleshy bristles so that when they wash themselves with their tongues, they simultaneously comb their fur. Apart from their various subspecies, tigers can have a number of different unusual fur colorations. These include white, gold, black, and even blue. Tigers can mate with lions and other cats in captivity to produce hybrids. Through genetics, male lions normally try to make their offspring as large as possible, but are counteracted by female lions, who make offspring smaller. The scientific name of a tiger is Panthera tigris. When tigers roar, they can be heard from as far as 3 kilometers. A group of tigers is called a streak or an ambush. Tigers are extremely fast. Although they are large and heavy, they can run at a speed of up to 65 kilometers per hour. Tigers are the largest cats on earth. They can weigh up to 720 pounds 363 kilograms, and stretch 6 feet 2 meters long. While not quite as tall as a male lion, a male tiger is heavier and longer. The Siberian tiger is the biggest of all tigers. The tiger is the national animal of both India and Bangladesh. A tiger's back legs are longer than its front legs, which makes it a running, jumping, and pouncing machine. A tiger's upper canine is about 4 inches 10 centimeters long, which is about the size of a man's finger. A tiger can eat nearly 1/5 of its body weight in one meal, about 88 pounds 40 kilograms. In 1 year, an adult male tiger can eat up to 8,000 pounds of meat. Tigers have killed more people than either lions or leopards. During the 19th century, tigers may have killed hundreds of thousands of people. A fully grown tiger can leap over 9 yards 8 meters and jump up to 5 yards vertically 5 meters. A tiger spends about 18 hours a day sleeping. A tiger's paw print is called a pug mark. Tigers don't only have striped fur, they also have striped skin. A tiger's tongue is so rough that it can scrape the meat off its prey. A tiger's tail helps it balance while it's running. Its tail can be up to 1/3 of its body length. Tigers eat cows, birds, monkeys, lizards, crocodiles and even small elephants. Their digestive systems simply cannot digest fruit, plants, or insects. Tigers, like all cats, cannot taste anything sweet. Tigers have the largest brain of any carnivore, except the polar bear. Domestic cats share about 95.6% of their DNA with tigers, from which they diverged on the evolutionary tree approximately 10.8 million years ago. Tigers are completely blind for the first week of their life. About half do not survive to adulthood. When several tigers are present at a kill, the males will often wait for females and cubs to eat first, unlike lions, which do the opposite. Tigers rarely argue or fight over a kill and simply wait turns. Although tigers can comfortably fast for several days, they starve more quickly than other animals due to their immense size. A tiger will starve to death in only 2 or 3 weeks, whereas humans take 30 to 40 days. Unlike almost all other big cats, tigers are adept swimmers. They enjoy bathing and often play in the water when young. Tigers live for about 25 years both in captivity and in the wild. Tigers have antiseptic saliva. They lick their wounds to disinfect them. Tigers prefer to hunt large prey by ambush. If you look at a tiger, it is less likely to attack, as it has lost the element of surprise. Tigers can mimic other animal sounds. A tiger's penis never gets erect. Tigers close their eyes when they feel safe. Bengal tigers are the most known tiger subspecies. The world's tiger capital is in India. Tigers prefer to inhabit forests, grasslands and mangrove swamps. There are 6 distinctive tigers: Bengal, Indo-Chinese, Malayan, Siberian, South China and Sumatran. White tigers are caused by recessive genes and inbreeding. There are as few as 30 golden tigers in captivity. Although they favor killing using their 10 cm teeth, tigers will sometimes use their paws. One swipe from a tiger's front paw is strong enough to smash a bear's skull or break its back. Tigers have no such controls, so a male lion and a female tiger produce enormous offspring, litters, whereas a female lion and a male tiger produce the much smaller tiglon. As adults, they often swim several kilometers to hunt or to cross rivers, and at least one has been recorded to have swum almost 30 kilometers in a day. Tigers do not normally view humans as prey, but will attack if threatened. Most cases of purposeful human predation are due to lack of a tiger's normal prey species due to habitat loss. Tigers are of 9 types. They are: Number 1. Siberian tiger. Number 2. Royal Bengal tiger. Number 3. Sumatran tiger. Number 4. Indo-Chinese tiger. Number 5. South China tiger. Number 6. Malayan tiger. Number 7. Javan tiger. Number 8. Caspian tiger. Number 9. Bali tiger. Bali tigers were the most powerful and greatest among all species. But unfortunately, due to excessive hunting and poaching, they got exhausted, and barely any are still left alive. Tigers are at the list of endangered animals. 100 years ago, there were 8 different subspecies of tiger. Today, 3 of those subspecies are extinct and others are dangerously close to being wiped off the earth forever. In 1960, over 4,000 South China tigers lived in China. Today, there are fewer than 20 left in the wild and just 60 in zoos. They were hunted to near extinction because the government declared they were pests. Over the past 100 years, over 95% of the tiger population has disappeared, leaving just 5,000 tigers in the world today. Their population is still decreasing due to poaching and habitat loss.
Just 100 years ago, over 40,000 Bengal tigers roamed India's forests, but now there are less than 1,400. Poaching and loss of habitat are their primary threats.
We should save tigers as they are highly important in the balance of the ecosystem. And if we do not take any necessary actions, then extinction of these wild beasts will surely occur in near future.